You have to hold that side. Yeah.
This even fit?
This is also 65.
Wait. Three. Let me see which that is from the top. This is the third one down, right? Yeah.
Yeah, this one didn't change, no? Torque. Why is it taking so much?
It's not changed.
Torque is still 65, right?
Okay. Then the two bottom hexes. Three. So this is 1, 3, and 4, is it? Oh wait, that might have been 45.
What I just did?
That's why I was wondering why.
Yes, that was one was 45. And the last two were also 45.
Number 3?
No, last two bottom
No, number
hexes.
3.
Yeah, number 3 is 45. That's right. But this guy was 65. So was this. That's fine. We already did this. Yeah. Sorry. That was 45. This is not like an engineer.
Not necessary because it's not under tension.
ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ lose ಮಾಡು.
You can just do a quarter turn back and leave if you want.
Alright.
Nice.
Not even a quarter.
Next, just
Dip it.
45, just for set it to 45 and do the remaining hexes. There are three of them. Or two, sorry.
Okay, two air things.
2 hex. And then
That's it. Now we'll need to put the
exhaust back.
exhaust back.
Oh, wait, crap. Wait.
What happened? We forgot something?
Will we be able to put this in now?
Yeah.
Why were we not able to put it in first? ಅವಾಗ ತೆಗಿಯುವಾಗ ಯಾಕೆ ಕಷ್ಟಪಟ್ವಿ ಅವಾಗ exhaust manifold ತೆಗ್ದಿದ್ದಿಲ್ವಾ?
Yeah. Actually,
He said, remember we were not able to take it out.
Yeah.
And we're like, oh, we're going to pull it out and then it'll come out, and it did. But
Will it go back?
it is going back. I don't know how it's going back now. Because it's easy to wait. This is not the right hole. That's why it's going back easy.
Anyway, the sensor should be able to fit after the gearbox.
no, we took the.
Where is it? Where is it?
Oh, I know that I put this in later, even when I never remember later. It's going
Yeah.
it's going.
Yeah, I don't remember date first and last.
ಹೋಗ್ಲಿಲ್ವಾ?
Thingy. This thingy. Full panic. And now I'm already the crankshaft hacked, I forgot the thrust bearings. I forgot the thrust bearings, I had to take it out and all those bolts have to be replaced because there were the stretch bolts. I had to replace $100, man. They're like $8 a pop. And there were like freaking 16 of them. So it's never used.
Now we have to put these sensors where are they going?
See, I thought this is the wastegate.
Which one?
No. Wastegate
Yes.
comes. This is this.
It's like some.
That is the
Yeah, no, this is yeah.
I thought
the controller from the wastegate.
I thought yeah, this is hot side.
Yeah. No, but this goes to the where is your Wastegate. Wastegate comes out at the bottom. This is the control. From here it goes down to the wastegate and
This is
Center.
This is the waste stream. Right?
this is the turbine wheel.
Yeah.
So this is it is to hot side. Wow. To
Oh.
hot side open mark.
Yeah.
And then it just bypasses your turbine, right?
Yes.
So you don't
Yeah.
have
So you don't
access
need to
boost.
spool it so much. Yeah.
Yeah.
So you don't boost it so much.
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಟೆಂಡರ್ ಕೊಡ್ರಪ್ಪ.
Got it.
Is it torque?
No. Here, torque.
No, it's not torque.
Yeah.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ the only thing is ಈ ತೂತಿಗೆ ನಾನು ಗ್ಲೂ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ವಾಪಸ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ because there's nothing there. I don't even know what it's for. There's a hole there. There's no
There's
thread.
one cap which
I know.
can-
I put that cap there. It doesn't even belong to the car. It's just some bottle cap. Something.
I know. I was wondering what it is glued with bottle caps.
Because I didn't know what to do with it. I'm like, I don't feel like leaving it open. But there's no thread.
No, it's supposed to be an inspection hole.
Maybe.
But
Anyway,
even
okay,
those Googles usually have those weird grommet cap type
yeah,
things.
maybe it's fallen out.
Yeah, it's those rubber caps.
Yes, that's what
with
it
the-
With that indent. And they
Yeah.
just pull them. Yeah.
Anyway,
Okay.
I won't put anything.
Now next is
Tape ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡ್ಲಾ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ?
ಅದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ but if you're putting it in, we need to put it now. Either you could have bought two rubber, but then you need the correct size and.
I'm uncomfortable with leaving this. You got any ideas?
You
So I
don't
put
have
that same sealant.
You don't have Teflon.
Teflon?
Right. When you
Sometimes
do have, you can't.
Teflon
size
with
it
tape?
up. No, Teflon rod content.
Definitely not.
Definitely not. We had some plastic. We did have some.
It's right there.
Actually, we did have plastic rod which we bought for something.
You bought it. Yeah,
Yes,
you bought
white.
some sort of weird plastic stock. I didn't
Yes.
really- I don't know why you bought that.
I buy all sorts of things.
I think it was for Shashank's project, his windmill thing.
Yes. For what thing?
His windmill thing.
Maybe.
You know what? I think this is. You can put the sensor in this also.
You know.
It's
Screw hole is that.
Huh?
Screw hole.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಹಿಂಗ್ ತಿರುಗಿಸಿ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೋದು. If you had a different sensor. Maybe. I don't know because it looks very similar to that.
He's about to go in there too.
Anyway,
All right.
let's plug it. Cap ಹಾಕದ್ ಬೇಡ. But the cap doesn't go in.
No, it
Put
doesn't.
this
It just-
way.
it
ಆ
just-
ಥರ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರಾ?
Okay.
No, I thought you had inserted it.
No, I couldn't find anything. Even at that time, I looked for things to put in there. But I realized I don't get I will be so unhappy.
Yeah, that is just an inspection note because it has no other
All you
function.
can see is the flywheel through this.
Yeah. No, I think no, the timing is not.
In these cars, you don't do
Yeah, you're exactly. That's what I was
Ignition
saying.
timing ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡೋದು.
ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ.
Okay, let's do it.
What
Done.
are we doing? Done?
You'll put the exhaust
Just.
ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡೋಣ. Some will vroom vroom and that's it. Yeah.
Sure.
Okay, I'll bring it.
Are you tired? Are you want to go back? You go, I'll do it.
I'm mostly bagged. Just getting lazy, that's all.
You go and I'll do it. Which one did you bring? Left or right?
ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರೋದು?
ಇದು ಈ ಕಡೆ.
That's right side.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's right side. They come inwards. Which is weird.
Yeah.
You want each of us do the other one? I can bring the other one. Gasket, no, don't forget the gasket.
Gasket, I've left it on top of it. Hello.
Do not drop exhaust on nice new shiny car. Do not fall on nice new shiny car. No, it's okay, man. It's only a dog.
Can you take off that lollipop? This back, take it.
Take this up.
Take it full.
ಅದನ್ನ ತೆಗೆದು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಹ್ಯಾಂಗರ್ ಬೋಲ್ಟ್ನ.
Yeah, he did.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, he did.
Wait, this
Leave that there.
won't come on.
Can I,
Okay. And
Yep.
that bolt nut.
This side.
We have two sensors. One goes
ಆ ಕಡೆ
here, one goes here.
Yep.
Where is that sensor?
ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆ ನೋಡು.
ಇದಿಲ್ಲಿದೆ.
Okay. One of them goes the other left
This
side.
goes down, yeah. This is the down one. This is the left.
Yeah, that's the way to right?
Yeah, this goes here. Here and here. This goes this side.
What side is this?
Wait, both are left?
No, no, this is right. That is left.
Okay.
ಅದರ ಒಂದು ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೇನೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆನ್ ದ
Yes.
ಲೆಫ್ಟ್
Yes.
ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಟ್ ದೇರ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಸೆನ್ಸರ್ ವಿಚ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಹಿಯರ್
Correct.
What size are those? 13?
ಯಾವ್ದು ಪುಟ್ಟ? These are left.
ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ 17
17?
the one is 14 here the other is 17
These look simple. Are they 17? Maybe they are.
16.
16 or 15
17.
17 then
Correct.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇತ್ತಲ್ಲ 17
Okay. So the way to do this is you twist them the other way.
no you is a pain
I think the guy's running on only some of his cylinders.
yes
Of course he is.
it's not firing properly
This guy.
Leo
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಡಾಟ್ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಾನು.
ಥಾಟ್ ಇದೆಯಾ
ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೋ ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೋ ಅದು ಬೇರೆ ವಿಷಯ.
ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇದು ಹೆಂಗಿದ್ರೆ ಆ ಟೆಂಪ್ರೇಚರ್ಗೆ
Maybe you need the 3/8 the quarter. Yeah, we don't have quarter for this big quarter.